Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus. Second chapter I am doing numbers and sequences. Exercise 2.4. Second sum is find the first four terms of the sequences whose nth terms are given by. So three questions are given. In this nth term is given. We are asked to find the first four terms. That is n is given. In that n we will be substituting 1, 2, 3, 4 and substituting those values in the place of n. Find the value of first four terms a1, a2, a3 and a4 we will find out. So first sum is an is equal to n cube minus 2. Okay, so now instead of this n I will take 1. N is equal to 1. So, n is equal to 1. That is the first term. So, a1 is equal to 1 cube minus 2. So, what is 1 cube? 1. 1 minus 2. So, a1 is equal to minus 1. So, this is the first term. Then, n is equal to 2. Instead of n, substitute 2. So, a2 is equal to 2 cube minus 2. So 2 cube is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. So A2 is equal to 6. Second term. Then n is equal to 3. So A3 is equal to 3 cube minus 2. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 2. So that is 25. So this is A3. First four terms. So n is equal to 4. So A4 is equal to 4 cube minus 2. So 4 cube is 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 64 minus 2 is 62. So A4 is 62. So we are asked to find the first four terms. The first four terms are minus 1, 6, 25 and 62. So this is the answer. First four terms. Okay. So first sum is over. Then second one is an is equal to minus 1 whole power n plus 1 n into n plus 1. So wherever n is there, we will be substituting 1, 2, 3, 4 and find the four terms. So first one n is equal to 1. So a1 is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1, 1 into 1 plus 1. Okay, so this is equal to minus 1 whole power 2. That is even number. Then 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2. So since a negative number as the base and we have the even power, minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. We will get a positive number here. So 1 into 1 into 2. So it is 2. So A1 is 2. Okay. Then A2, that is n is equal to 2. So A2 is equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay. So this is equal to minus 1 whole power 3, odd number, into 2 plus 1, 3. So this is equal to minus 1 whole power 3 is odd number. So we will get minus 1 into 2 into 3. So 3 2s are 6 minus 6. So this is our A2. Okay. Then n is equal to 3. So A3 is equal to minus 1 whole power 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 1 whole power 4 into 3 into 4. So this is minus 1 whole power 4 is we will get even numbers, that is 1. So 1 into 3 into 4. So this is 12. So A3 is 12. Then n is equal to 4. So A4 is equal to minus 1 whole power 4 plus 1 into 4 into 4 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 1 whole power 5 into 4 into 5. So this is minus 1. odd power. So minus 1 into 4 into 5. So this is equal to minus 20. So A4 is minus 20. So we got 4 terms for this. So what are the 4 terms? 2, then minus 6, then 12, then minus 20 are the 4 terms. This is the answer for the second one, for this one. Then third one. Third sum is an is equal to 2n squared minus 6. Okay, so a is equal to 1. Sorry, n is equal to 1. Not a, n is equal to 1. So a1 is equal to 2 into 1 squared minus 6. So this is 2 into 1 squared is 2, minus 6 is minus 4. So a1 is 4. Then n is equal to 2. So a2 is equal to 2 into 2 squared minus 6. So 2 into 2 2s are 4 minus 6. So 4 2s are 8 minus 6 is 2. So a2 is 2. Okay. Then n is equal to 3. a3 is equal to 2 into 3 squared minus 6. So 2 into 9 minus 6. So 2 9s are 18 minus 6 is 12. So a3 is 12. Okay. Then n is equal to 4. So a4 is equal to 2 into 4 squared minus 6. So 2 into 4 4s are 16 minus 6. So 16 2s are 32. 32 minus 6 is 26. So a4 is 26. So 4 terms are minus 4, 2, 12 and 26 are the 4 terms. So like this, if nth term is given, whatever number of terms they are asking us to find out, we can find out. Next sum is, find the nth term of the following sequences. 2, 5, 10, 17. We are asked to find the nth term. That is, whatever value we are substituting in that, here only 4 terms are there. If we are asking 13th term, we will substitute that in that nth term and we will get the 13th term. Instead of doing counting it like this. So for that only we need the nth term. That is the general form of any sequence. So first one is, we are asked to find that only. 2, 5, 10, 17. So for few sums, we can apply formula and whatever information is given in the question, we can apply that in the formula and do it directly. Few sums we need to think and do. So these sums are like that only. We need to think for a while, that is how the sequence is moving on. So here, if we check all these things, this one is 2 squared is 4. So 4 plus 1 we are getting here. Next one is 3 squared. 3 squared is 9 plus 1. Then the next one is 4 squared, that is 16 plus 1. Like that we are getting. If we check this one also, this is 1 squared plus 1. Okay. So here we are getting it like this. That is, here 1 squared plus 1. So we are getting this 2. Then 2 squared plus 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Second one. Then next one is 3 squared. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. Then next one is 4 squared plus 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1. So next term will be obviously 5 squared plus 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 is 26 will be the next term. So in general we can write it as an is equal to, that is nth term of the given series is equal to n squared plus 1. So whatever value we are substituting here n. If n is equal to 5, if n is equal to 3, a3. If n is equal to 3, a3 is equal to 3 squared plus 1, we are getting 10. That is a3 here. Okay. So the same way we get, so nth term is an is equal to n squared plus 1. Okay, this is the first sum. Then second one is 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3. So like that it is going on. Okay, so if your first term is 0, if we leave that, second one is, if we are taking from 0 we have to start anything. So if we are taking it as n is equal to 1, from that we will start. So n is equal to 1. If we are taking it as 1, here it is. If we are taking n is equal to 1, first term we are having 0. Here in all these things, one term is less in the numerator. So if we take the denominator as 1 and the numerator as 1 minus 1, we will get this first term. Okay, n is equal to 1. So the denominator, if we are substituting 1 and the numerator is 1 minus 1, 0 by 1, we are getting the first term. We will check for the next terms also. Denominator, n is equal to 2 if we are taking. Denominator is 2. The numerator is 2 minus 1, we are getting 1. That is the second term. Then next one is, if we are taking n is equal to 3. Numerator is n minus 1, we are getting 2. So the given sequence is like that only. So the general form of the sequence is an is equal to n minus 1 by n. n minus 1 by 1. So n is equal to 1, 1 minus 1, 0. First term is 0. If n is equal to 2, denominator will be 2, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 by 2. That is the second term. If you are substituting n is equal to 3, 3 minus 1, 2. We will get it as 2. 2 by 3. Okay, clear? So an is equal to n minus 1 by n. So this is the nth term of the given sequence. Then third sum. First two sums over. Then third sum is 3, 8, 13, 18, like that we are getting. Okay, so here if we are taking, for example, n is equal to 1, first 1. So n squared plus 2 if we are taking, that is n squared plus 2. n we are taking it as 1. 1 squared plus 2 is 5 you will get. This is 1 squared, 1 plus 2 is 3. Sorry, 1 plus 2 is 3 we will get. If we take n is equal to 2, 2 squared, that is n squared plus 2. In this only we are substituting all these things. So 2 squared plus 2. So 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 2 we are not getting. 4 plus 2 is only 6. But here we are having 8. So this n squared minus 2 is not possible. Okay. So here we are having 3. What are all the possible things we will get for 3? 5 minus 2 is 3. Right. So we will take like that. If n is equal to 1, 5n minus 2. If we take like this, when we are substituting n is equal to 1, 5 ones are 5 minus 2, we are getting 3. So first term we are getting for 5n minus, if we are taking 5n minus 2, for the first n is equal to 1 we are getting. But we need to get for the remaining terms also. So n is equal to 2. If we are taking 5 into 2 minus 2. So 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. So second also we are getting. So then n is equal to 3. So 5 into 3 minus 2. So 5 3s are 15 minus 2. That is 13. So we are getting. So n is equal to 4. 5 into 4 minus 2. 20 minus 2 is 18. So that also we are getting. So we can finalize that an is equal to 5n minus 2. an is equal to 5n minus 2. So this is the nth term of the given sequence. Okay, clear? So for these type of sums we have to think, then only we have to do. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.